DJI just now announced the Mini 3. So many promising words, but we're not that impressed with it. After 2 years of waiting, they brought such a drone that can raise questions about DJI's intention towards the Mini series. Let's discuss why you should think twice before buying the DJI Mini 3. In terms of size, the DJI Mini 3 comfortably sits between the DJI Mini 2 and Mini 3 Pro. The design is almost similar to the Mini 2 Pro, but it has the legs on the arms like the Mini 2. These added legs provide better transmission and landing stability, which is a nice addition. With the standard battery, the drone weighs less than 250 grams, so it fits into the sub-mini drone category. Mini 3's propellers are larger than Mini 2 and they are at a slightly sloping position. Because of this shape, the flying sound is so much softer than the Mini 2 and Mini 3 Pro. Overall, the body dimension is pretty handy and can easily fit into any regular backpack without any issue. DJI Mini 3 is featuring the 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor with an aperture of 1.7, which we can find in the Mini 3 Pro. It's significantly better than the sensor of Mini 2, which has a 1/2.3-inch sensor with an aperture of 2.8. This sensor is capable of shooting 4K at 30 FPS, which is a bummer because the Mini 3 Pro can actually shoot 4K at 60 FPS while using the same sensor. But still, the footage is almost similar to the footage of the Mini 3 Pro in terms of 4K quality. You can also shoot 12-megapixel high-res photos with the sensor. The camera performs well in both day and nighttime thanks to its dual native ISO and chip-level HDR technology. And not to mention, this sensor's gimbal lets you tilt the camera vertically so you can shoot for your social media posts without compromising on the video quality. You can also shoot 12-megapixel high-res photos with the sensor. Mini 3 is using the same O2 OcuSync technology, so distance-wise, it covers 10 kilometers, the same as the Mini 2. Quick shot features like circle, helix, rocket, and boomerang can be shot with the drone. You can save the footage to mobile devices or share them directly on your social media with quick transfer mode. The drone has sensors in the bottom of the body for auto takeoff and return to home features. Global navigation satellite system and infrared sensing system will ensure precise hovering while flying. Battery life is also improved and you can get up to 38 minutes of flight time from the standard battery, and with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, the flight time will be bumped up to approximately 50 minutes. Mini 3 also supports wide-angle and sphere panorama photo modes. Apart from these, the camera can physically tilt up to 60 degrees, whereas Mini 2 can only do 20 degrees, and it comes with wind speed resistance of 10.7 ms, so you can shoot from new perspectives more efficiently. Mini 3 comes with some major disadvantages which can be deal breakers for you. It has no obstacle avoidance sensor, so you have to manually adjust and fly the drone carefully if you don't want to hit any object. It has only the normal color profile, no D-Cine like Mini 3 Pro. It uses the same old OcuSync and the same video modes as the 2-year-old Mini 2. Though it has the newer sensor from Mini 3 Pro, it's still not capable of shooting 4K at 60 FPS. Mini 3 doesn't have any advanced piloting assistance system, focus tracking, and optical avoidance. The digital zoom can only go for up to 2 times in 4K. Now when we compare it to the Mini 3 Pro, the Mini 3 isn't that much appealing. And if you're spending $559 for the body and DJI RCN1 controller, we don't think it's a worthy upgrade. There are many more options available in the market in this price point that'll offer you a better value. So if you're a DJI fan, Mini 3 is not worth buying right now, while a few $100s can get you a far superior Mini 3 Pro, which can also be used professionally. In case you already own the DJI Mini 2, you can always go for the Mini 3 Pro or simply wait for the upcoming Mini 4 Pro. So, what are your thoughts about the DJI Mini 3? Share with us in the comment section down below.